everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. So yeah, I'm going to eat breakfast right now, but there's a couple things I wanted to say before I ate breakfast. I'm sorry for not uploading on Friday. I edited how I edit my thumbnail video for like 3 days. It was a really good video, and then when I went to export it, it had no storage, so then I cleared all my storage, and then it still wouldn't let me export it. So then I deleted the thing, and I thought, oh, maybe when I re-upload it, because the library was still there, I thought that maybe everything would save, but it didn't. Nothing saved, and it was like a 15-minute long video, and I was kind of sad. But so I decided I might re-edit that one, but it's gonna take a while. So I just thought I'd film this quick video because it's just taking you throughout my day. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go eat breakfast. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so first I had my oatmeal. This is what I eat every day, but I kind of put a twist onto it if you watch the video. So these are the oats I use. I either use the Trader Joe's one or the Quick Oats from Quakers. So I forgot to film like how I make it, but this is basically what it looked like after. And I just put it into a bowl, and then I put a little bit of cinnamon in it. And then what I tried is I put some Nutella into it, because I've seen that people put Nutella into their oatmeal, and I thought it was pretty interesting, so I wanted to try it. And then I cut up some bananas and I added it to my oatmeal. I like to add some type of fruit to my oatmeal, like even if I'm just gonna do brown sugar and cinnamon, I'll usually add some apples to it, but this time I thought I should add bananas because I just thought it would go with the chocolatey theme. So next what I'm doing is I'm trying this peach green tea lemonade. I don't know if you guys go to Starbucks, but I love that drink from Starbucks. It's honestly my favorite drink ever. So I mix some peach juice with some green tea lemonade. The green tea lemonade I got at Trader Joe's, and the peach juice I got at Target, and I just thought it was so cool that I can mix these together. I added some ice and it was delicious. Definitely give it a thumbs up. So yeah, I ended up eating my oatmeal. I didn't really like the Nutella oatmeal, but I didn't want to waste it, so I ate the whole thing. I never finished my peach green tea lemonade. I'm gonna finish that while I finish editing. Okay guys, so it's lunchtime right now, and I'm having these whole grain chicken breast tenders that I got from VJ's, and they're really good. So I just put a couple on the tray. I didn't want a huge lunch just because I ate breakfast really late in the day. So yeah, I put this at like 4:25 for like 10 minutes. And right now I got a little hungry, so I'm eating an orange. Anyway, so this is basically what my lunch looked like after. I had some barbecue sauce and some ketchup. It's dinner time. I can barely cut cauliflower, but basically I'm cutting this cauliflower into smaller chunks so it's easier for me to bake. So once that's drained, I add some olive oil and I season the cauliflower with some veggie blend seasoning. And then I'll transfer that onto a baking tray, and I'll put it in the toaster oven and cook it at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. This is what it looks like after. It looks really good and tastes delicious. So now I'm putting my potatoes in the oven, and I have olive oil. I put some olive oil on it. I'm heating it at 400 for about 20 minutes, and they tasted so good. This is a salmon now. I just wanted to make some lemon pepper salmon, so I put some olive oil over it, and I got this lemon pepper seasoning, and yeah, I put it over. Then I squeezed a little bit of lemon on top of all the salmon. So I put the salmon in the oven at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes, and I let that bake. So next I moved on to making these lentils. I just poured it in the pot and I mix it around with a fork. You just have to heat it up. There's no like boiling or anything. So yeah, I just mixed them together. I added some water into it and some salt to give it some flavor. Okay, so this was the final dinner. It was so delicious, and the potatoes were so good. That was like my favorite thing in the world. Hey guys, okay, so thank you for watching that whole video. If you watched the whole thing, sorry for the really short upload. I explained in the intro why I couldn't upload my other video, and I'm sorry I didn't upload on Friday, but I'm back on schedule, back on track. Some days I might miss out because it's kind of hard to get videos in 3 times a week, but it's okay, I still try. So I just want to say thank you guys for 400 subscribers. I love all of you guys. I think we're currently like 420 something, I'm not sure, something like that. But thank you guys so much for all the support you've given me. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. This is mainly what I eat in a day. Also for dinner, like I didn't get to take that many videos, so I'm sorry about that, but it's currently midnight and I'm really trying to get this video in by Sunday morning, and I just filmed it today and it's Saturday, so that's probably not a good thing, but I did it anyway. Sorry for the really short upload, but I'm gonna bring longer uploads next week, I promise. I hope you guys have a happy Sunday. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Yeah, my goal right now is 500 subscribers. I don't know if we could do that, guys, but I hope we can. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!